Hello students, this is about understanding inverse proportion. What exactly is inverse proportion? To begin with this, I would like to start from one of the basic examples I will give you. I want to list out all the factors of 36. So how to begin? When I teach how to factorize a number, I always begin by choosing the first factor of 36, which is 1. Any number is divisible by 1, so I'll write the first pair as 1 times 36. The second pair I can think about is, because 36 is even, 2 divides 36. 2 into 18 will be 36. 3 divides 36, so I think 3 times 12 is again 36. 4 times 9 is 36. After that, 5 does not divide 36. Now the last number that it could divide is 6. 6 times 6 is 36. If you look at each of the factors or the factor pairs, what do you see is, you see from 1 to 2, 1 times 2 is 2, 36 divided by 2 is 18. You can see a pattern here. The pattern is, as the values have increased here, this side. Yeah, the values are increasing. It's going on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But this side it's decreasing. Okay? So when one quantity increases and the other quantity decreases, that is actually the concept of inverse proportion. As in, what's happening is, if you increase one side, the other side must decrease. So if I'll tell you 9 times how much is 36? 9 times 4 is 36. So you see that if the value has increased from 3 to 9, so you can say that 3 times 3 is 9. Then you know that 3 and 12 made a pair. 12 divided by 3 is 4. It's actually very interesting, because what we want to understand is, there are two values such that when they multiply together, you should always get the same value. So x into y should give me the same value every time. This equation represents anything that is inversely related, meaning if one quantity increases and the other quantity decreases, that is how you want to represent. So, well, I can write this as y equals to k upon x, meaning to find one of the value from the other, all I have to do is look at their constant product, whatever they multiply to give you. That constant product divided by one value gives me the other. So how applicable is this? Think about those scenarios or those example questions where we used to talk about one man completes the work in 3 days. Then 3 men will complete in 1 day. Similarly, if I'll give you 4 people finishes a job in 5 days, yeah, then if I'll ask for 8 people, you know what's happening? I am taking the double of the number of people, so I have to half the number of days. That is the technique to finding any question or finding any solution to a problem based on inverse proportion. 5 divided by 2, 2.5. So more number of people, less number of days will be taken to complete the task. Similarly, think about food. You have limited amount of food in your house. More people come to your house. The amount of food each person will eat will be lesser now if there are more people. These are more relevant examples of how inverse proportion is connected in day-to-day life. That's it.